South Jamaica, baby, they made me to be the greatest. Serving the deed of my creators. Fresh off of my high haters. It's the king again. Magdalene, Chauffeur, bragging and boasting.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Dollars. Welcome back to the channel. It's another day, another dollar video. We're going to be reacting to J Neat featuring YG Fireworks. I know this is the Katy Perry sample they teased a while back ago on Instagram. And it did give me like little NY drill vibes with the samples and stuff. But I thought it was a dope sample using that Katy Perry Fireworks shit. So, man, without further ado, let's hop in this joint, check it out, see what they talking about, man. You know, I have high hopes, J Neat and YG, so it's definitely got to be a banger, right? I wonder how much they paid to clear this sample.
Hey, cool, get low. I'll show you how to hit with the pole. I'll show you how to hit some niggas, how to flip some niggas and nobody know. Move knee, move slimy. I'll flip a bitch, try to lie me. 11 crip like I'm Kyrie. I'm at Cody shooting right behind me. Nigga don't say nothing, I'll come face on 4-5 hit like a ray gun. Niggas city in the trap ain't made nothing. Cody gon' up it, you know if I say
4-5 hit like a ray gun. That shit reminds me of playing Zombies, Call of Duty Zombies. My favorite Call of Duty Zombies though was the was it Black Ops 1 or Black Ops 2? I think it was Black Ops 2 Zombie. But everything else after that was kind of whack to me. Run this back a little bit.
Move slimy. I'll flip a bitch, try to lie me. 11 crip like I'm Kyrie. I'm at Cody shooting right behind me.
I ain't gonna hold you. I noticed J Neat is not rapping like he usually does, like the melodic flow. He's just rapping, using bars and shit. It don't sound bad though.
Don't say nothing, I'll come face on 4-5 hit like a ray gun. Niggas city in the trap ain't made nothing. Cody gon' up it, you know if I say something. Niggas freeze when I'm up in the heat. I'ma shoot when you running to me. Get up close, I ain't shooting from deep. Bitch, I'm trying to put your face on the tee. We just keep running up, niggas ain't done enough. Check the GPS, the block keep coming up. Niggas ain't right before, I ain't one of them. We're the gang that you niggas keep running from. Had shots, we applying the pressure. Moving knee with his knock on my sweater. Drop the Addy, we could do this whenever. If you don't wanna see the watch, can get you.
The 40 will touch you up like a molester. The glizzy will leave you ball like Uncle Fester. I switch on the back so I hold down the trigger. Where? Splash.
Said the glizzy gonna leave you like Uncle Fester. What does that even mean, bro? It's funny he mentions Uncle Fester because I was just watching that that Wednesday show on Netflix, which is fire, bro. I really like that show. I want to rewatch it again. But yeah, what did he say, Uncle Fester?
Had shots, we applying the pressure. Moving knee with his knock on my sweater. Drop the Addy, we could do this whenever. If you don't wanna see the watch, can get you.
The 40 will touch you up like a molester. The glizzy will leave you ball like Uncle Fester. I switch on.
The glizzy will leave you bald like Uncle Fester. I don't even know if that makes sense. How's it gonna leave you bald though?
The glizzy will leave you ball like Uncle Fester. I switch on the back so I hold down the trigger. Where? Splash it, he came out the river. That bitch got a fake Cuban link on it, let's over. Take a simply not feel it drop to my liver. Like Aryan brothers, cause I don't like niggas. Light up and black just like fireworks. Blue still 40 and I call it Papa Smurf. I dread the lean the same time, credit Papa Perk.
How'd he say it? Something like Papa Smurf?
And I call it Papa Smurf. I dread the lean the same time, credit Papa Perk. I touch what's on my gun, I make a transport. I got something that can't fit in a jasper. Hop on the Addy, I feel like transport. Black just like fireworks. Blue still 40 and I call it Papa Smurf. I dread the lean.
Blue still 40, okay.
Same time, credit Papa Perk. I touch what's on my gun, I make a transport. I got something that can't fit in a jasper. Hop on the Addy, I feel like transporter. The 44 got a big nose like a snorter. When you stand on your money, it's making you shorter. 15 piece, finna feel like Vince Carter.
I send nigga right to the moon. Just like a firework, make it boom. He in the party, then clear the room. He with his bitch, then she get it too. We ain't got a top, but you know what we do. We got an Addy, you know what we do. You ain't gon' shoot, then you better move. Nigga don't trip and you run. I'ma gon' click this done. Nigga don't play with a gang, we'll come flip for fun. No, I'm beef on the net, I'll come shoot up your ends. This got K-Flock on my...
Said I don't beef on the net, I'll come shoot up your ends. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, right now, J Neat got you on this track, YG. Feel me? And YG had some bars in there, but I wasn't feeling his flow. Like, you could have punchlines and bars, but if your delivery is not right with it, it just don't sound good. You feel me? And J Neat is just simple. He's rapping his tough shit, gangster shit, but it sound good. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to describe it. Sometimes you ain't gotta be lyrical. You just gotta say real shit and it gotta sound good. And J Neat, I think his verses sound better on this. So far.
Nigga don't play with a gang, we'll come flip for fun. No, I'm beef on the net. I'll
come shoot up your ends.
I'm K-Flock, and my little nigga throw 5 and I throw 10. Gang, no, we won't miss shit. Hop out the cut and we flip shit. Stand over a nigga, him right in his head. Yeah, that shit Houdini. Spin your block, we got it on repeat. Yeah, that shit Houdini. Spin your block.
Okay, that shit is for Houdini.
Stand over a nigga, him right in his head. Yeah, that shit Houdini. Spin your block, we got it on repeat. And my killer nigga, they some yardis. Oh, what are some boy? Cha-cha bad. Man, pull up on a arty. When I'm phone, don't talk madness. Cause boy will pull up on arty. Headshot boy, laying up coffin. Come to traffic with automatic. Man, and
I ain't gonna lie, you ruined it with that, using the accent, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. Should've just kept rapping normal like the way you was.
steamy. Michael Jackson.
I'm not even gonna try to rewind it and hear what you was saying, bro. Like, I'm not doing that.
Beat it. Niggas say shit, but they don't mean it. When they see me, my niggas be pleading.
When I see him, my niggas be leaving. Made that boy meet, all I made that boy meet Jesus. Shoot nigga first, so I'm quick with the reflex. I'm ducking from Oscar, I'm ducking from D. When I press on the button, they bullets, they eject. Heat up your block, make it hot just like Egypt. When I was in the trap, the boy was at reset.
Heat up your block like Egypt.
Eject. Heat up your block, make it hot just like Egypt. When I was in the trap, the boy was at recess. Whip your nose like Charmin, that's Kleenex. I swallow it all, man, she made an agreement. The way I koala, you know I'm deceived. When I start sending bullets, people start receiving. I shot in his head, hairline receding. Had to stop dripping, I walk out of Neiman. Let me squeeze on the 45 and I squeeze it. His how I flew off, his how when I breathe. Feel like Melly, my last time it should have been demon. Bro, they shooting, the chrome gun is gleaming. Went to sleep after leaning, I woke up, start leaning. Dead in a coffin, it look like you dreaming. Don't gotta go to laser tag to beam him. Big gun made me feel like He-Man. And I really kill man, turn damn skeleton. Point blank, rays get close, melt him. Switch on his top, automatic belt him.
I give that a 4.7 out of 5 money bags. This was fire. Again, I felt like J-Neat got the best verse on this. I just didn't like when he started switching up his accent at the end. YG, he had bars in there, right? He had good bars in there, but it was just like, bro, the delivery. I think the delivery was off a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I felt like he could have flowed on this better. You know what I'm saying? If he would have been flowing better on this, it would have been so much better. Because he do got the bars, and yes, I appreciate bars. Y'all already know that. But at the same time, I'm not going to lie and sugarcoat it. Like, it just, the delivery wasn't as good. If he would have delivered them bars and flowed on the beat better, it would have been a better, you know, song for me. But I think this is one of the hottest joints he dropped in a minute, though. J-Neat and YG, you know, and I like this beat. The sample was fire. So, yeah, I give it a 4.7 out of 5 money bags. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. It's your boy Dollars. We off this.
For my time goes by, they gon' raise a nigga jersey in the sky. Treat a nigga right, big dreaming on my life. Shorty wanna get some air, I go and get up when I fly. Taking off when these niggas I retire. The minute I catch fire, I smoked them all before, just revisiting the high.